Let's talk about power, paperwork, and a man who outsmarted the system. Bernard Garrett was a black businessman who did something almost unthinkable in mid-20th century America. At a time when black Americans were locked out of loans, ownership, and banking, Bernard didn't protest the banks, he studied them. Born into poverty during Jim Crow, Garrett noticed something others ignored. Money didn't move by accident, it moved through rules. So he taught himself banking laws, real estate finance, and lending policies, without elite schools, without access, without permission. And then he made a bold decision. If banks controlled who could build wealth, then the real power was to own the banks. Because a black man openly buying banks would raise alarms, Bernard used white proxy buyers, legal at the time, to quietly purchase and control banks and major real estate holdings across the country. At his peak, Bernard Garrett controlled millions of dollars in assets, influencing which businesses got loans and which communities could grow. For a while, it worked. Black entrepreneurs received capital, opportunities expanded, and the system unknowingly worked for the very people it was designed to exclude. But once the regulators realized the black man was behind the curtains, the rules changed mid-game. His empire was dismantled. He was convicted on financial charges. His story was buried. Years later, Bernard Garrett was pardoned by Lyndon Baines Johnson, acknowledging the racial context and injustice surrounding his convictions. His wealth was gone, but his proof remained. Bernard Garrett showed Americans something powerful. The system wasn't magic. It's math. It's policy. And it can be learned. Bernard Garrett didn't break the system. He mastered it. That's today's Fact Flash. Follow for more stories they didn't teach you, but should have.